Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have 81 raised to power 4 minus 81 raised to power 3. So we're going to solve this question without using a calculator. Now to solve this solution, so we have 81 raised to power 4 minus 81 raised to power 3. First, we can express power 4. 4 can be written as 3 plus 1, such that this then becomes 81 raised to power 3 plus 1. Then we have minus 81 raised to power 3. So, applying this rule, that if you have a raised to power b plus c, this equals a raised to power b times a raised to power c. Applying this rule right here, this then becomes 81 raised to power 3 times 81 raised to power 1, then minus 81 raised to power 3. So looking at this, we have a common factor, which is 81 raised to power 3 and 81 raised to power 3. So therefore, factorize out 81 raised to power 3, 81 raised to power 3 into brackets. So if we divide this by 81 raised to power 3, we are going to be left with 81 raised to power 1. So we have 81 raised to power 1, then minus, if you divide 81 raised to power 3 by 81 raised to power 3, the value is 1. So from here, 81 raised to power 3 into bracket, 81 raised to power 1, the value is 81 minus 1. So with this, 81 raised to power 3 into bracket, 81 minus 1 is 80. Okay, now the next thing for us to do is to simplify the value of 81 raised to power 3. And to do so, we can rewrite 81. 81 can be rewritten as 3 raised to power 4. So therefore, in place of 81, we can bring in 3 raised to power 4. So this then becomes, in brackets, 3 raised to power 4 to replace 81, then all raised to power 3. This is then multiplied by 80. Okay, so with this, we are going to apply this principle of indices, that if you have in brackets a raised to power b, all raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. Applying this rule right here, this becomes 3, then power 4 will multiply power 3. 4 times 3 is 12, multiplied by 80. Okay, so from here, the next thing we're going to do is to rewrite this 3 raised to power 12 as 3 raised to power 10 plus 2, then multiplied by 80. So we're also going to apply this rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power b plus c, this equals a raised to power b times a raised to power c. Applying this rule right here, what you have is 3 raised to power 10 times 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 80. Okay, so with this, the next thing we're going to do is to simplify the value of 3 raised to power 10. So right here, 3 raised to power 10, this can be written as 3 raised to power 5 times 2. And this can be written as, in brackets, 3 raised to power 5 all raised to power 2. Now, 3 raised to power 5 is 3 in 5 places, and that will give us 2, 4, 3, then all raised to power 2. Now, 2, 4, 3 all raised to power 2 is simply 2, 4, 3 multiplied by 2, 4, 3. And if we multiply this, what we have is 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4, 12, write down 2, then 1, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1, that is 7, 4 times 3 is 12, then write down 2, carry 1, 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1, 17, write down 7, then 1, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1, that is 9, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4. So with this, adding this up, here we have 9, then 4, 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 6, that is 20, write down 0, then 2, 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 8, that is 19, 9, then 1, 1 plus 4 is 5. So the value of 243 squared is equal to 59049. Okay, so right here, don't forget that 243 squared is also the value of 3 raised to power 10. So 3 raised to power 10 is equal to 59049. So inputting the value of 3 raised to power 10 into this, what we have is 59049 to replace 3 raised to power 10 times 3 squared is 9, then multiplied by 80. So from here, the next thing we're going to do is to multiply 59049 times 9, and the value multiplied by 80, that becomes the final answer. So multiply 59049 times 9. Right here, 9 times 9 is 81. Write down 1, then 8. 9 times 4 is 36, plus 8, that is 44. Write down 4, then 4. 9 times 0 is 0, then we have 4. 9 times 9 is 81. Write down 1, then 8. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 8, 53. So we have 531441. Such that from here, the value of this is simply 531441, then multiply it by 80. So doing this, we have 531441 multiplied by 80. 0 times 1, 0, 0 times 4, 0, 0 times 4, 0, 0 times 1, 0, 0 times 3, 0, 0 times 5 is 0. The next one is to multiply 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. So write down 2, then carry 3. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 3, that's 35. Write down 5, then 3. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3, 11. Write down 1, then 1. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1, 25. Write down 2. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 2, 42. So here we have 0, 8, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2, 4. So this is the final answer. So with this, what we have is 42,515,280, and this is the final answer to the given question: 81 raised to power 4 minus 81 raised to power 3, without pressing the calculator. So with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.